Good morning, guys. You say good morning. You say good morning. I've been up since about 9:20 something. We went down to breakfast, Bailey and I. We shared a bagel and a donut. Mommy had some coffee and Bailey got to try some orange juice with me. Yeah. Obviously I wasn't trying orange juice, but I think it was her first time having like orange juice, not just something that was... Apparently I need to stop talking. You gonna tell them about it? Tell them all about it. Let's not show them my boobie though. Yeah, we're going to have a beach day, and later on my dad and my stepmother are renewing their vows. So I'm excited. Yeah, we're gonna go have fun at the beach. And I have her in this little outfit. You're fine. She's got some cute little jean shorts, you know, onesie, and let's not dive off the bed. I'm picking you up. Come here. But yeah, I figured I'll wait until we get to the beach to put her in her bathing suit, because last time she was in her bathing suit for like more than half an hour, she peed through it without, like, because we didn't go in the water. That was fun. I think she might be hungry, so I'm gonna end this clip now. We are on our way to the beach. Are you so excited? You can't see her in the mirror right now because it fell. You excited to go? We were waiting for my stepmom and kind of waiting for Josh, but I ended up meeting him upstairs anyway. We were sitting by the pool and she was splashing her feet in the pool. It was really cute. She wanted to go in, but I didn't want her to be wet and then get in her seat. And then, I don't know. I don't know how far we are from the beach though. I'm going to attempt to get clips while we're at the beach. Hopefully, possibly, with Josh's help.
You're so awkward on camera. You need to learn to have better camera presence.
I'm an awkward person. Hi, I'm Callie. Have we met?
Well, you've met you two.
Uh-huh.
And we're married.
Uh-huh.
So I think we've met.
We have?
Yes. Yes, we have.
Do I frustrate you?
Kind of.
You love me, though.
Fortunately.
You say hi?
No.
No?
No.
You're incapable?
Yes.
Okay.
See, I pretend like it's not even there. That's the thing.
Hey.
Hey.
I love you.
Love you too.
Bailey, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? You cannot just crawl to the ocean. Hey. Bailey. Hey. Bailey Ann. Get her to play with the sand. Bailey, come here. Bailey! she's on the move. Is that my shoe? You just get sand in your eyes? That's awesome. As you can tell, we're at the beach. Someone's playing in the sand. We went in the water a little bit, and I think we're gonna try to go back in a little bit. Can you say hi? You wave? You wave? No? Not today? Okay. Apparently I'm being climbed now. I'm falling out of my top. Say hi. What? Hi. What are you doing? Oh, she sees the Doritos. Oh, hello. You want to play? You want to go in the water? You want to play in the water? Can I take your passy? You ready? Let's go to the water.
Someone's being grumpy. Doesn't want to go in the water. Can't tell if she likes it or not. Not from as far away as I am. Seems like she does, though. She's bouncing. Let's go play in the sand and the water. Random person walking through. Nice waves out there today. Tends to happen at the beach. People just walking through. Seems to really enjoy playing in the mud. Seagull.
Bailey, what you doing? What you doing, princess? Ah? No, not at all. It's all good. Bailey, where's my pretty girl? Where's my pretty baby? Bailey. Daddy, can you show her how to make it?
Breezy. Breezy. Bop, 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 bop. What does Bob have to do? Using one to fill the other?
Bailey. She's watching the seagull, I think. Is that your daddy's shirt?
Ready? Here we go. Kind of. There we go.
Yeah! Yay, daddy! Are you tired?
You done with this day?
You ready to go rinse off and take a nap?
Done. Huh? You done?
Yeah, I think she's tired. I think it's time to go get some food and take a bath and relax.
You mean lazy bones?
Can you give him a kiss kiss? Kiss kiss. Where you go? Wear your yo-yo hat. You ready? Yo, my name is Bailey, rhymes with Haley. And when I do dishes, I say, oh, Bailey. Unst, 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 unst. Is that funny? You say, my name is Daddy, rhymes with Batty. When I get mad Hattie. Unst, unst, unst. Bob. Say, my name is Bob, it rhymes with job. And when I grow up, I'd have a son named Rob. Unst, unst. Wicka, 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 wicka. Is that Mommy's camera?
Yo, brother. Yo, man, what's up? Yo.
So we're about to head out to do my dad and stepmom's vow renewal.
Oh, you didn't say vowel this time.
He makes fun of my speech because when I talk really fast, my words kind of slur together.
And you add letters to words that I'm wrong.
I don't do it intentionally. He's just a jerk. Miss Bailey's wearing a little dress. Bailey. Hey. No, you want to look? Someone's very tired. She's refusing to nap. She's wearing the dress that she wore to me and Josh's wedding. Someone's getting dressed. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to get any clips of it just because I'm going to be recording it for my stepmom on her phone because she wants it videotaped. So, I don't know. Maybe Josh will, but I doubt it. I guess you'll find out if it's in here. So that's about it for today's vlog. I didn't get any clips of the vow renewal just because I kind of felt like it would be weird since it wasn't mine. But yeah. I think that's... You say goodnight? Say goodnight, guys. Goodnight. Wave. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good night, guys.